bathi wena utholakala. Where are you? Sihlalo sakho asinamuntu. Where are you? Where are you? Sunyathelekile, but uNkulunkulu kubizele something else. Where are you? Where are you? In life, kukhona izimo ezifike zikufake umhlaba lo. Zikufake izimo zekumenzisa. Hlala uzinze. Where are you? It's life.
Yeah.
Ngaphandle kwaNkulunkulu. Where are you? Where are you? I feel uNkulunkulu with His protection, His love.